case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In California v. Ramos, a 1983 Supreme Court case, the constitutionality of the Briggs Instruction in capital sentencing procedures was the main focus. The Briggs Instruction informs the jury of the governor's power to commute a life sentence, and the court held that it is a permissible consideration in the jury's sentencing determination. However, the case also emphasized that the instruction should not violate any substantive limitations on factors that may be considered or lead to bias towards a death sentence. The lawsuit originated from the case of Marcelino Ramos, a janitor who was found guilty of robbery, attempted murder, and first-degree murder after committing a violent crime at the fast food restaurant where he worked. During the penalty phase of Ramos's trial, the judge informed the jury of the governor's power to commute a life sentence, leading to Ramos being sentenced to death. Ramos's lawyers argued that the Briggs Instruction violated both procedural and substantive limitations in the capital sentencing process. The case was appealed by the state of California to the United States Supreme Court, after the Supreme Court of California overturned Ramos's death sentence, ruling that the Briggs Instruction was unconstitutional. The U.S. Supreme Court disagreed and found no constitutional defect in the instruction. Instead, the court ruled that the Briggs Instruction was constitutional, but emphasized that trial judges should not use it to emphasize the governor's power in the jury's decision-making process. Ultimately, the Supreme Court reversed the Supreme Court of California's judgment and remanded the case for further proceedings. This ruling did not override state legislatures' judgment on what factors capital sentencing juries should consider, upholding the constitutionality of the Briggs Instruction while maintaining the importance of jury discretion in the sentencing process.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class